Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can delete shortcut on Snapchat account. If you have created shortcut on your Snapchat account and if you want to delete that shortcut, you don't need that shortcut now, you can delete it. For that, just open your Snapchat account and click on your camera and take a picture or a snap. After taking this picture or snap, just simply click on this send to button. When you click on this, at the top you can see there are three options. The first one is hot option, the second one is add friend option, and the third there is a plus icon. Click on this plus icon. When you click on it, here you can see the option called new shortcut, or if you have already created shortcut, it is showing here. As it is showing as statistics, it's my shortcut. So click on your shortcut if you want to delete it. Now at the top right side, click on these three dots. Now here you can see the option called delete shortcut. So just simply press on this delete shortcut and your shortcut will be deleted. So this is the way how you can simply delete your shortcut if you don't need it now.